I've been waiting all night.
When you see the money, Abby. Okay. Alright, thank you.
That's not everybody that peels orange the way you peel, babe.
It's so long.
Like, how do you peel orange like that? I can never peel oranges.
Because this one is very sensitive. That's why no matter how you do it, the peeling
To
is
still, like, read,
very
yeah?
sensitive skin.
But, like, you peel oranges in this long, like, that can never be me. Peel oranges.
Just
I can do that.
peel it like this.
It always cuts, babe. Can never be that long. See how long the snake is.
Oh, the Benue one. What are you going to drink?
I will make it. But why did you bring that belly, though? You like orange, babe.
Not just for me, for us.
For all of us. Benue oranges have wowed me. Like, how are these so juicy? Like, the water in this thing is ridiculous. I've never tried, like, I've never had oranges this good besides in Benue State. So juicy, as in ridiculously juicy. And sweet though, not slappy orange though, like Abuja orange. Sweet one.
This one was from the farm they gave us this.
Yeah.
Love to from behind the house, not even like farm.
Yeah. They called her name, so therefore, cheers, baby. Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. It's our last day in Benue State. Jesse,
Hi.
you look so handsome, my love.
Thank you.
Yep, it's our last. Yeah, Rose, can we go? It's our last day in Benue State. Since we got back to Boko yesterday, we've just been sleeping, lounging, resting, lazing because it has been one heck of a couple of days. That village waka air, the to and fro, the stay in the village, the burial proper, everything was just so stressful. Anyway, oh my God, babe, your car looks so clean. Whoever cleaned this car, because if you guys see the state of this car as at yesterday, Jesus Christ, if you guys had seen the state of this car yesterday, I caught car for people in Benue State. The dust in Benue. I thought there was dust in Abuja, but the dust in Benue.
Otupo dust is still better, still way more.
Otupo dust is red sand, like you said, yeah.
Yeah,
and
red, and that one is worse.
And my last time, my first and last time in Otupo was 10 years ago. But the dust in Boko and in Buruku, hey, God, my husband's car is black. The car turned to white. Literally, Mia Rose is laughing. The car turned to white. Driving this car back from Buruku yesterday, I was just like, even inside, everywhere, God, that big.
The bad road.
Mm-hmm. And I haven't come into the car since yesterday, so they washed and cleaned this car, and at least.
They did an amazing job.
Yeah, this car is beginning to look like your car again, even though it still needs to be dusted. See him.
Yeah.
Hey, now the dust in Benue State is epic.
This one is today's dust.
Yeah.
Oh, went out.
Even with the glasses wound up.
Yeah.
Where does the dust now come from? No. Hey, Chineke God. Nah. Yeah, Rose is a character. That's the one thing that I know. Benue State I caught car for now because what is going on? What's happening? Hey, the dust and the roads. Hey. I even developed like throat. See, change of environment, the dust, everything even affected me for a while. But I'm better now. Ready to go back to Abuja tomorrow.
Yep. This is where the food is.
So they just make it and they bring it to the hotel.
Trust me,
You can just open a small kitchen.
I'm telling you, and they'll make a lot of money. They're just being.
Oh, guys, we're finally going out. Golden hour. This is like 5:30.
Oh my goodness,
We're
the
finally
sun is
driving
biting
out.
me.
What's biting you?
Character.
The sun is biting me.
See what I'm telling you? See road. Ah! Everywhere. Everywhere in Benue State. Hi. Even the roads that are tarred with pothole everywhere. You cannot even drive for more than 5 meters without entering pothole. Anyway, we are off to Jesse's uncle's house. They've been so amazing to us. Oh my God, so hospitable, sending us food. We've not had to like literally buy food in Boko since we came into Boko days ago. See pork. Let's buy more pork. There's pork opposite Uncle Gideon's junction here. Hey!
I'm sure it's pork or fish.
Babe, I think it's pork. It has to be pork there. So Jesse's brother and his family left earlier today, and we are leaving tomorrow.
Which is so sad.
I know you miss your cousins, right, Mama? Yeah. I know you do. I know. Don't worry, you'll see them again soon by God's grace, under more joyous circumstances. All right, just got to Uncle's house. Mama, come down from the car now. Ha. God. Danny. Hi. Hi. Hi.
My son was bored.
This one too, both of them wants to finish her. I say all your cousins have left you and gone. They've all left you. Good evening, ma. Uncle.
Yeah, me, I like it too.
I didn't know what it was.
It's even when you said it that me might say, oh, I need to buy this thing.
See all the plenty young we're carrying to Abuja.
It's not your own, no. See your own there now. See
Where's my own?
Your own big pass our own.
Are you serious? Make I see. How will I come to Benue? I will not buy yam. 18. How will I come to Benue and I will not buy yam? Eh?
18.
Oh yeah. How much did you buy this one now?
Everything here is 30 in number.
But how much did you buy? This is 30 yams.
Yes, this is
everything
20,000.
20,000.
this is 19.
For 30 tubers of yam.
19,800.
That can never be Abuja.
Now 209 come inside that money.
That can never be Abuja in a million years.
This is 19,800.
What?
800.
Nah.
Yes. All the apples this time.
How do we differentiate between the one that is water yam and the one that is? You know it, babe.
It's just you even know them.
Yes, nah. As somebody that grew up in Benue State.
Mommy had yam farm. Yam farm. That's Agbo, Abi.
Yes, all these things are good.
Mado. So that's the one you go they cut, they go to chop now. Consider it's healthy than normal yam, yeah?
My dad is
Oga, bend your waist towards
You're the one that gave me the idea.
You won't even hold the thing safe.
Babe, is that how they used to hold it?
Yes.
You're holding it well now.
I have to cross the smaller ones first.
Oga,
Oh, wow.
bend your waist towards.
It's not my bed.
Do it with strength. Do it with strength and power.
Come on, babe.
Yes. Come here.
Now so.
I know.
Yeah, do it in my house now. So.
With big mortar like this.
And the mortar is big.
It's not big like this, but now it's how you pound it now. I'm not going to make the thing get to this thing. You know you have to break it, so
You have
the
to
one
break
doing
it
doing
evenly
it.
first.
They're breaking it. Okay, they're breaking it. Already.
So now it's to pound it. What are going to call check?
Don't enter the water.
It didn't go.
Mia.
It didn't go through.
Mia Rose. Mia. Mia. Babes.
Do you know what the name of this one?
Isn't this the okra? Or does it have a name?
You know it.
Yeah.
Call it.
Let's do this.
It's very simple, but it's Bambi.
Oh, Bambi.
Can you try calling it? Say Vambi.
Vambi.
Yeah. Not Vambi. Vambi.
Stopped over here to get a few things before our trip tomorrow. Mia. Babe.
Mommy, everybody's wearing shoes.
Everybody's wearing jeans. Yes, baby. Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. It's been 2 days since we got back from Benue State, and we've literally just been chilling, recouping, resting, because it was a very stressful trip, especially coming back to Abuja. It was a bit more stressful than when we were going. But yeah, we've just been spending the last couple of days resting. We've just been so exhausted, sleeping away all the exhaustion and all of that. And once again, I just want to just come here and say thank you guys so much for all your love. I saw your comments on all the Benue vlogs. Thank you guys so much for your condolences, your kind words, your sweet messages, your prayers, everything. I see you all. We see you all. Jessie and I are so grateful. God bless you guys so much. Anyway, I guess I'm back to what life is supposed to be like. I mean, before all of this, happened, and we just pray that God sees us through, and especially my husband, because it's been very emotional for him. But I just pray that, God sees him through. God is, helps him go through this time, as easily as possible. It cannot be easy because, losing a parent is so hard, so difficult. But with God, I believe that, one day at a time, one step at a time, I feel like, it will get better after each passing day. But yeah, that's what we've been up to, guys, since we got back 2 days ago. Mia Rose resumed school. I saw my sweet little handsome boy after about 6 days or so. I missed him so much. But yeah, basically we've just been all rebonding, and just, if you guys are hearing noise, the kids downstairs are playing. But yesterday, I took a drive down to town yesterday to pick this up. If you guys recall, my vlogging camera, my G7X Mark II, gave up the first week I was in America, and I have been vlogging with my phone ever since. For the last 5 months now, I think I've been vlogging with my phone, and I feel like sometimes I'm overworking this phone, to be honest. It's a great, powerful tool, but at the same time, I feel like I am beginning to overwhelm this phone with all the vlogging and then Instagramming and everything. Let my phone remain, for capturing, Instagram moments, and maybe if I cannot use my camera, I switch to my phone. But having my phone as my main work tool, has just been a bit, you know, for me. So anyway, I have this camera here. I finally got a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This camera has been very, very highly suggested, okay, by every creator and their mama. And I finally closed my eyes. Like, I had to close my eyes like this yesterday to go pick up this camera. Another reason I had to pick this up is because something exciting is coming in a few days, and I feel like my phone will not suffice. Okay, so I will let you guys into that soon, but let's unbox this beautiful camera. Okay, I got the creator combo, so it comes with a couple of things as well. It comes with a pouch, it comes with a tripod, it comes with a mic, it comes with a couple of things. Yeah, I guess I'm long overdue for a vlogging camera at this point, so I'm glad I got this. Everything is in this cute bag. It's crazy how tiny this camera is. But yeah. Oh, she's pretty. She is beautiful. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys a couple of things. I'm not sure what all these things do. I will try to set it up. This battery thing comes with a mini tripod. Comes with this as well. It comes with a mic, which I'm very excited about. I've never tried the DJI mic before, and this also works with your phone, so this is great. I guess chargers. This is also a windscreen for the mic. It's like a windscreen for the mic. A wristband. This is the wide angle lens. We have our baby. Oh, this is so nice and so sleek. I've heard so much about this, so I'm going to turn this on. First impressions. Ooh. Here we go. Oh, so nice. Oh, okay. I'm loving it already. And this bag is very, very, very handy. But yeah, guys, I finally got myself this cute camera. All my vlogs now, most likely, is going to be with this. It's very nice, and I just love how compact it is. It's actually very cute. So nice. Wow. I've joined the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 gang, and I hope I enjoy my purchase. I hope you guys enjoy watching the vlogs that I'm going to start making with this gadgets. But yeah, anyway, I'll talk to you guys later.